Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can create a character on Talkie Soulful AI. What you have to do for this, first open Soulful AI app on your device. After opening the app, then log into your account. Then after logging in, go to your select your profile icon. Then here you will redirected to this page. From here select create my talkie. Then from here select your gender. Now then select start. Then you can upload your image from here, or you can describe how how you want to build an character, or you can, if you select AI optimize, it will be create a character for you. Then tap on generate. Then choose your character from the search result. Then tap on create image. Then you will see this here. Then tap on next. Then select a character voice. You can search. You can also search it. Then select next, and then select confirm to create your character, and that's it. That's how you can create a character on Talkie Soulful AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.